So he's walking along the road there and he comes up to a bridge and a guard comes out and he says, "Hey, Black Knight, you want to come across this bridge? You're going to have to answer these questions three. These questions three." That's how they talk over there. And so Black Knight goes, "Yeah, okay, ask me the questions." And the guard goes, "Number one, what gets wetter as it dries? Number two, what part of an eagle never leaves the ground, even when it flies away? And number three, what gifts can we give our children to teach them how to walk the red road? What gifts do we give our children to teach them how to love? What gifts will teach them how to walk the earth in a good way?" So the Black Knight, he thinks about it for a while. And he goes, "Okay, number one, what gets wetter as it dries? What gets wetter as it dries?" It says, "A towel. A towel gets wetter as it dries." And he goes, "Number two, what part of an eagle never leaves the ground? Never leaves the ground, even as it flies away. What part of an eagle never leaves the ground?" And the Black Knight says, "It's shadow." Yeah, I like that. And then finally, he says, "Number three, what gifts can we give our children to teach them how to walk the earth in a good way?" And the Black Knight thought, and he goes, "I know. You need to give them a ball and chain." I found this yesterday. It says, for children 3 and up. Can you believe that? Hey, bonjour, NANABOOZHOO. Welcome back to NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is NANABOOZHOO, and I am your host. Yeah, so the Black Knight, makade dibakad. And that's our word for today, makade dibakad, Black Knight. I mean, I know they're talking about a different kind of knight, but it works here. And let's see, what else do I want to say about that? You think this is a good gift for a kid? I mean, yeah, it's totally inappropriate for a 2-year-old, but a 3-year-old, yeah. This is what they need. Teach them how to, I don't know. Okay, well, I guess that's all I have for today. Makade, oh no, I know. You know that word makade? That'll be our word black. Makade. Where else have you heard that word? You remember? Makade mashkiki wabu, right? But I don't think I ever, explained. I mean, that means coffee, right? But it actually means black medicine water. So we got makade, right? Black. And then you got mashkiki, makade, mashkiki, medicine. And then wabu, right? And wabu is like a hot water that you sip. And don't let people come up and say, "Hey, NANABOOZHOO, water is nibi. I saw it on a bottle." Yeah, that's water too. We have a couple of words for water. Anything else? No. Well, okay then. You have been watching NANABOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is NANABOOZHOO, and I guess I better go. Okay. Gigawabamin Minowa. I'll see you again. Oh, yeah, the Black Knight.